you may have a need to actually sort your information in a specific order. And so I'm going to go ahead and type in the select and then the asterisk for all my columns. And I'm going to say from my books table that I've created, and just do a quick run. And what you're going to notice is I've got all my information, and I may choose to have it sorted or ordered in a specific way. For instance, let's say I want it to be ordered by the titles, and I want them in alphabetical order by titles. What I'll do is I'm going to add another keyword in here, and I'm going to use the order by, and then I'm going to choose the actual column that I wish to use, and I'll just say title. And so now we'll go ahead and hit run, and you'll see that they have been ordered alphabetically by title. And so you can see that it's done this here. Now I may want it to be in reverse order, so I want it to be descending rather than ascending order, and so we're going to go ahead and change this now for descending. And to do that, I just have to type in the 4 little letters DESC after the title itself. So I'll just type in DESC for descending, and the default is ascending, but I want it now to descend, and I'm going to go ahead and hit run, and you'll see that they've actually done it in reverse order. Or descending order. So that's another option that we have for sorting, is by adding the descending. Now, what if I wanted to do it so that I've got 2 categories that I want to sort by? For instance, if I sort by the category field, and let's say that I want audio up on top and then fiction below. I've only got 2 different categories to work with, but I've got multiple fictions. Let's just go ahead and see how that works first, and then I'll show you what I mean by a second level of sort. So let's go ahead and do category. I'll go ahead and hit run. You'll see that it's sorted it ascending for me, audio and then fiction. But take a look at my fiction. After fiction, I've got my prices all over the place. I may want to sort it by category and then followed by price as a secondary sort or a secondary order by. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just type a comma after category and now type in the second column that I wish to sort by. So it's going to sort by the primary column category and the secondary column price. And so I'll go ahead and hit run, and you'll see my results here. I've got audio and then fiction sorted alphabetically, and then it jumps to price and it sorts all my records by price secondary. And so you can see that happening here. And so if I've got multiple prices, which I've got here with $14.99, I can now say I want another category of sorting, and I may want to sort by publication date. So if I do that, you'll see that I'm actually in reverse order now. I want 1996 to be up here. So let's go ahead and add to it pub underscore date. And now I can go ahead and hit run. And you'll see that my 1499s have all been sorted now by the actual year of publication date as well, in ascending order. And so this is basically ordering my queries or my information that I pull out of the table and sorting them in a way that I choose to view the information.